If you're looking for high volume of gluing, look no further than the Nordson DuraBlue applicator. Hand glue guns such as the Tec 6100 or Tec 7100 are super tools for larger applications, but when demand dictates, you need to step up to the DuraBlue 4L or even the 10L or 16L. Let's have a look at this gluing machine in more detail and assemble a new one ready for use. Here is the tank as you would receive it in the order. One hose or two hose systems, or even a dual bead and spray system. Hoses come in different lengths, from 2.4 meters, 3.6 meters, and 4.8 meters. This is a dual bead and spray system in the 4-litre unit. Okay, let's connect the hose and bead gun to the tank first. Remove the end cap covering port 1, attach the hose to port 1, and connect the two electrical supplies. These regulate and control the hose and gun temperatures. If you are using the spray adapter, to change from bead to spray, you'll need to connect the air control kit. To do this, first bolt the air control kit to the side of the tank. Next, open up the tank control panel using an Allen key. Then, attach the electrical control wire to the main control board via port 1. You are now ready to add the glue and turn the system on. The first time that you use the tank, you need to purge the tank with a small amount of glue to remove any residual oil. Lift the tank's lid and insert the glue. Then turn on the tank and set the temperatures. On the control panel, the tank, hose and gun are shown separately. This enables you to set the temperatures individually and accordingly to the glue formulation. Starting with the tank, press and hold the tank button until a flashing one is shown. Once the one flashing is shown, increase or decrease the tank temperature to the correct working temperature for the glue. Once reached, you hold the tank button down to set. Repeat this process for the hose and nozzle until you have set the correct temperature. When the correct working temperature is reached, a green tick will appear. This normally takes 45 minutes. It's worth noting that once the green tick has appeared, it does not mean the adhesive is molten enough to dispense. This will take up to a further 30 minutes. You can open the tank lid to check if the glue has melted fully. When the glue has melted fully, turn the pump on and you're ready to go. You are then able to purge the system to ensure there is no oil residue remaining. When this is done, refill the tank up and wait for it to melt. It's worth mentioning, the more glue that you put in, the longer it will take to melt the glue. As default, the Nordson DuraBlue comes with a bead gun as standard. To switch to the swirl adapted, first remove the bead nozzle. Remember, if you have just been gluing, then the bead nozzle will be very hot and gloves should be worn. When you have removed the bead nozzle, attach the spray nozzle, which are available in 0.6mm, 0.8mm, and for wider spray patterns, 1.2mm. Then connect up the air supply from the nozzle to the air control unit and connect to the shop's air supply. You can use the air control unit to adjust the spray pattern and control adhesive flow to suit application. With Tecbond bulk glues for spraying, it's always better to operate at the lowest possible temperature. The tank has a timer control function to allow you to preset the tank to come on prior to the start of the day to allow the glue to be molten and ready for use. So there we go, the Nordson DuraBlue applicator. Perfect for those bulk applications.